Y'all been growing y'all some food? So what's your favorite part about gardening? Mine is the harvest. Cause anything that's gonna get me closer to eating is all right with me. So this is what I got this morning. Let me see if y'all can see this. Yeah, I got 4 little strawberries. I'm making some shrimp fried rice today, some chicken, some mixed greens, and salad. So this right here, these are the onion seed pods, the onion scapes that was trying to grow. So this will go in my shrimp fried rice. I'll chop these up just like chives. I have some sage that I need to dry out, and that'll. I'm not using that today. I don't think that's just there. Have some oregano that was ready. So I got that. And the more you harvest things like this, the bushier it gets instead of tall and linky. So that's what I like to do anyway. And when I harvest, when I dry these out, sometimes I put them in the dehydrator, but sometimes I'll just put them right in the shoebox with some holes in it. And I kind of like it when they do it like that. It take longer though. So if I need it instantly, which I don't now, I finally got a stock. So I have jars with all my stuff in it, so I don't have to rush anything. And dried in a shoebox, it keep the color. And I don't know, it's just prettier. When I dehydrate it, sometimes it might turn kind of dark or whatever, but it's still just as good, I think. I got some chives, and a lot of people don't know that you can eat the flowers on chives. So I'm gonna put some of these right on in my salad and dehydrate the rest. I got a whole bunch of curly kale and some of this is gonna some of this will be in a salad, and some of it is going to be mixed with this other kale to make like this creamy greens, this creamy kale. It's sort of like spinach, but it's kale that I make. Anything I put in there, it's all the same. It'd be good. This is a little bit of dinosaur kale that was growing. It was just a little piece I got off of there. Um, and all this is called dwarf Siberian kale. It's like a sweeter kale. It ain't as bitter. The leaves are curly like Russian kale. I don't know. I just love kale. I be growing all kinds of kales all the time, and I cook them different. And these kales, you already know these some real good kale chips. But today they would be a mixed green and a salad. And yeah, that's it. But just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants gave me all this. Well, 6 different veggies. These kales was I probably pulled this off of 3 different plants, and the Siberian kale I probably pulled that off about 5 or 6 of them, because I pulled the outer leaves. You keep the plant in the ground, pull the outer leaves. If the plant look like this growing, and this the root down there, you just go and pull the outer leaves out and leave the ones in the middle, and then the plant will keep growing. So that's what I like to do, and I like to have a variety so I can mix up stuff. I don't even know why you in here. So girl, use some food, because we all gotta eat.